Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a wedding website for free using Wix. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. If you don't already have an account with Wix, you can get started for completely free. All you'll need is your email address and you can sign up from there. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a page just like this. All you'll need to do is tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, you will be redirected to this page. From here, I want you to tap on Set Up Without AI since this is your first time creating a website. After you have tapped on Setup Without AI, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here we'll type in wedding since we are creating a wedding website. So we're going to type in wedding right here. After you have done that, you can select wedding, then tap on next. After tapping on next, you can enter the name of your website. So let's say for example, I will type in J&A wedding. So I'll do that right there. Then I'm going to tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you will be redirected to this page. And these are simply the plugins or the features that will be added to your website. So at the moment you can see events. So I'll be able to create events, sell tickets, and also track RSVPs. And it will also have a chat on which I'll be able to correspond with persons on my website. If you plan on, for example, adding blog, you can do that if you plan on adding a blog post, better yet. And if you also want to add your Instagram feed, you could do that also by selecting Instagram. And you can scroll down and you can see the different features that you can add. After you're finished, you're going to tap on next at the bottom of the page. Then from here, we're going to tap on begin with a template. By selecting begin with a template, you'll be presented with numerous templates that you can choose from that will allow you to create a stunning wedding website. Even if this is your first time creating a website, you'll be able to create a beautiful looking one using these templates. So let's say for example, I would like to use this one. All I will need to do is tap on edit. After you have selected edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while the AI composes your website in the background. Once it is finished composing it, I'll be showing you what to do next. Once it has loaded up, all you'll need to now is tap on the X to close out. And at the moment, this is how your website looks. And to add anything, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option. Right where you see the plus at the top left hand corner, you can tap on add elements. By tapping on add elements, you can add practically anything to your website. So if you like to add text, you can do that. If it is a case that you like to add an image, you can do that by selecting image. You could tap on upload image. You can also add buttons and so on. But since this is a wedding website, more than likely all you will need to do is simply change the stuff that are currently on your website template. So for example, you can tap right where you see the name at the moment. So we could change the name right here. So you could tap on the name section, then tap on edit text. After you have selected edit text, you can change the name to whatever you want. So let's say for example, I want to change the name right here. I can do that. So I can change the name as you can see right there. And you could change the name right here also. After you have changed the name, you can scroll down, and if you would like to change the image also, you could change the image by tapping on the current image. Then from there, you could tap on quick edit. After you have selected quick edit, you're going to see a pop-up window on the right hand column. From there, you will see section background. So if you like to change the background image, you could tap on change. Once you have tapped on change, you can see the different images that you can choose from, or you could choose to upload your own image. So if you would like to upload your own image, you could tap on image. Then further, you will get access to your device by tapping on upload media, and you could choose to upload your own image, Or if you would like to search from the copyright free images on Wix, you could do that by typing in wedding, but more than likely you're going to be adding your own image. So you'll add your own image or the person that is getting married image. But let's say for example I want to add this one. I'll tap on that, then select change background, and you will realize that the background image has changed, as you can see right there. Once you have done that, you can continue editing your website. So we'll tap on the X in the top right hand corner. Then you can scroll down and you can see how it looks, and you can edit the paragraph right here by simply tapping on it. And again, any section that you want to edit, all you have to do is tap on it. Then you'll see the option quick edit or edit text, and you can tap right there to edit it. And also, if you would like help with what to write on your website, you could tap on create AI text, and you'll be able to get assistance from the Wix AI. And you can scroll down, you can change all the images. You can also change the date right here by tapping on the date. And you can also scroll down, and if you would like to edit the other pages, you can do that. To get access to the other pages, you'll simply go over to the top left hand corner, tap right where you see home. After you have tapped on home, you can see we have the home page, the map, blog, and you can see the blog pages right there, because remember that I have chosen to add blog when I was choosing the different features for this website. So for example, if you tap on map right here, it will carry you to the map page, as you can see right here. And also, if you want to edit your story page, you could go over to here where you see vertical menu. You could tap right there, and from there you could tap on manage menu, and you can see the different menu options right here. You could switch it around if you want, or if you would like to add a new page, you can do that. It is quite easy to edit all things on Wix. So you can see right here, and from here you could change the map. So you could tap on the map. After you have tapped on the map, you will see right here, you'll see a pencil. You could tap on quick edit. After you have tapped on quick edit, from here you could change the background again. So you could add a different maps by scrolling down. You'll be able to access Google Maps, and you could enter the location where the wedding is being held. After you're finished doing all of that, you can also add your own registry. So let's say for example you have an Amazon registry. All you'll need to do, tap on maps right here. After you have tapped on maps, you'll select event details and registry. After you have done that, it will redirect you to the RSVP page, so you can see it right here. Again, you can edit the time and location, so you can edit that information. Then you can scroll down and you can add all the information that you want right here. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. So if we were to tap on publish, after you have tapped on publish, you're going to be given the option to choose a domain name. After you have done that, you can tap on view site, and once you have selected view site, a new window will open up, and at the moment you can see how our website looks. This is it at the moment, and we have the vertical menu right here, so we can select any one of these options. Our story, tap on registry right there, and it will go down to the registry, as you can see right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.